everyone, welcome to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to be learning how to move folders on AOL Mail. Before beginning, let me tell you that, unfortunately, AOL Mail currently doesn't offer a direct way to move folders within the interface. But you can move emails to a new folder easily on AOL Mail platform. So let me show you how you can do that. Instead, open up your AOL Mail application from your app drawer to begin. You can also log into AOL Mail on a web browser. Make sure to sign into your mail and then go to the inbox page. The next step is to create a new folder you would like to move the emails to. From the main home page, click on Inbox at the bottom left on your mobile interface. Scroll down and tap on Create New Folder. Enter the name for your new folder and type it in the text box. After you do, tap on Save. Now that you've created a new folder, get back to your inbox. Select any emails you would like to move. You can simply press hold the email and then click on Move at the bottom. Now, where it shows you this kind of an interface, select the new folder that you created and you will then be able to move the email to your desired folder. So that is the only way you can move emails to folder on AOL Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.